didn't know this thing would start already. I thought it would wait for the timer. I'll get some water real quick. Hello everyone. Hello, hello. This music's so loud for me. Uh, Let me start chat real quick. Where is it? Here we go. This isn't it. Where's my chat? Oh, here. It's not this either. Where is my program? Here we go. There we go. Hello everyone. Today it was a bit of an impromptu stream. I don't have the schedule made for it yet. I was quite sick during Easter, which sucked. Was not ideal. Oh yeah, let me send a message on Discord telling them I'm live. I am live now. Okay. Oh, string elements makes its sporadic appearance. I plan to do today to fix some issues with the chat. Those being it's very little. Chat is still quite small, and that's not ideal. I want to lower the amount of text that appears here. Like it's too much. I need to make it concatenate a little bit more better. I need to make the emotes larger, and I'll search how to do that today. See how it'll come out. I may cough a little bit during the stream because of I'm still a little bit sick. My throat is not in the best condition. Um, but I'll get better. I'll get better. I'll get better. And since might be a bit too quick, as it's just a bit of milling with the code, not that big of a thing, I may play some games later. Probably The Witness, but we'll see. So let's get to it. Open the code with Visual Studio. And then I'm not sure why OBS always thinks that I got a calculator opened. No. It's not finding Visual Studio for some reason. I hate this thing. Capture window. There we go. This is in front of me. There we go. I figure this way might be smarter. This way I don't dox myself every 2 seconds. If I just show the code. There we go. Okay. What we need to do is I just docked my key real quick. Oh, dang it, exploded. I'll change it later. No worries. By the way, I need this to consume less API calls, because that test that I did one time consumed 600 out of the 10,000 that I can. I stayed with chat open for like 1 hour, not even that, and it consumed far too much. So this thing here, down here, which is limiting the time, certainly is not working. Or if it's working in a weird way. Situation is bleak. Leave. Situation, the road. You have no idea how much stupid stuff I had to read today on Twitter. At least some good news. I saw that Junie, that Catholic streamer who streams at Twitch, got into a group, which I find very nice, very cool. And I think that's about it. Not many good news today, sadly. And tomorrow I need to go back to work. Vengali? Who's that? No, not aware. Today, at least where I live, today was a holiday, so I could be sick in a more calmer way. So yeah. Oh yeah, I tried making this work by making this 3x, because when you go to here, this open something, no, when you go to this thing on better to T mode and you put an emote, let me show you guys. It shows it very small, but if I put this on 3, it's larger. I thought this is going to pull for a larger image. It did not. As you can see, it is still small. This is the current code of the chat. So what I think I need to do is, during the parsing into the chat, render message, where does it render the emote? It needs to be down here. Escape. I'll see if I can change it via the HTTP. Start chat, render message, entries, image source out. I need to change the size here. How do you change the size again? If I make the width equals like this is a test 500. I need a refresher on HTML. How HTML renders images. HTML image tag. Source, alt, width, and height. Okay. If I make this amount, will it make the emotes extremely large? Let's see. I'll need to reboot the system for the chat real quick. Let's see. And then I need chat to reload. We made it! It worked! It worked! A very large eye. I want to see the icon very largely. Genius. Perfect. Okay, it's working now. If I change it to be 50 and 60, would it be too large? Let's see. It's a bit stretched because it's a rectangle. If it's 60 to 50, would that work? Now I need to start again and update. No, it made it worse. High got good, but the other one's kinda bad. I think the emotes, when I check via the API, I think the size of the emote is a variable. And that way I can make it so that, for example, high here is okay because it is a very long emote, but I can't, it's more of an emoji, which is a square. Let me check this real quick. If I go to the Better to TV and get my emotes, using my channel ID, exactly here. Oh, not this. This. There we go. Let me put chat over here. If we check here, there is GIF animated true width and height. So there is information in the JSON that we get from BetterTTV that says the size of the emote, and I believe there is a limit, so someone doesn't have an emote that is gigantormous. In this way, we can make all emotes look pretty. I just need to get this information in the code. Let me. There we go. Okay. URL code const regex escape code regex image source URL emote map. Okay. name, display name, provider ID, code. Yeah, exactly. It gets the URL of the emote, which is this one, and then the code. It is mapped because we get it from the channel, from BBTV channel emotes. I'm not sure because I've never used maps on JS. Let me feed this to ChatGPT and ask it. Actually, no. I'm going to use Copilot. The fetch done in fetch emotes gets a bunch of JSON that looks like this. Let me get one for example. No, this one. Mad little cat. Like this. I need Vex, stop looking at letters. This is dumb. Let's play instead. No. And welcome. Yuppie. Yupper with lowercase y. I need to get. I'm over the prompt. There we go. I need you to automatically get the width and height of the emotes and add them on the image rendering. Yep, it'll give me the answer in pork and cheese. Please capitalize the Y in Yupper. You're being very rude. Thank you, friend. I am not, because I am a very rude person. I really like the way Leaf did it. I'm not Greek, but I like the way he did it. No, that's very mean. Okay. It gave me the answer in Portuguese, but I'm trying to understand it. I kinda get it. Await new promise. Fetch emotes. Image equals image. New image. No. Huh? No, 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 no. It did it in a weird way. In a very weird way. Uh, it might work. Crunch you first, and then wood chipper that I can get behind. Okay, I'll copy this and paste it. Okay, so it's getting the stuff from the API, fetching it. I don't know why there are 3 dots here. It gave me no answer. How can you hold so much hate in your heart? Weird. But let us try this thing and see if it works. Okay. Let's see. I don't think we got it. We got that one, or do we? I think we do. We do indeed. Let's see. If I close chat now, and then I open it again, and reload it. It is not working. It is clearly not working. Yeah, it did not work. Oh, there we go. Stream Elements did its job once. All the emotes got so large for some reason, so wide. I don't know, -30. Height. Width equals width -30. Wait, champ? Why isn't it loading anything? I think maybe I did a mistake. I didn't close the list server the right way, I imagine. To find this on my find this now running on my processor is going to be so difficult. Dang it. Here we go. Close this. This might break my computer. If it breaks my computer, I'll be back real quick. It did not break my computer. Well, let's try it again. It did not work again. I can see my own stream, okay? You're not baiting me. Dude, it did not work. It did not work. I may need to restart my computer for real because I can see the process running. I can find it. The thing that I thought it was the system running. Okay, I got three things running here. Let's see if that helps. I closed some node things. I know this code uses node. The server uses node. So maybe it'll work now. Where's chat? Where's chat? Here. Yep. If I go to this, it gives nothing. Yeah. I think I break chat real quick. I'll be back real quick.